Achieving flawless skin is a fundamental part of many MTF crossdressers' journeys in embracing femininity. The goal isn't just about looking beautiful but about feeling confident and comfortable in your skin. Whether you're just starting with makeup or have experience, the condition of your skin and how you prep it can make a world of difference in how your makeup looks. This video outlines 6 simple yet effective ways to help you get flawless skin as an MTF crossdresser, focusing on makeup, skincare, and specific techniques that will enhance your features and boost your confidence. Foundation is the base of every great makeup look. Choosing the right foundation can make your skin look smooth, even-toned, and flawless, while the wrong one can create a cakey or mismatched appearance. The first step to perfecting your skin as an MTF crossdresser is investing in a foundation that not only suits your skin type but also matches your skin tone and undertone. There are 3 main skin undertones: warm, cool, and neutral. A simple trick to find out your undertone is to check the veins on your wrist. If your veins appear green, you likely have a warm undertone. If they are blue or purple, you have a cool undertone. A mix of both colors means you have a neutral undertone. Warm undertones suit foundations with golden or yellow hues, while cool undertones look best with pink or blue-based foundations. Neutral undertones can go for either. As an MTF crossdresser, your skin type plays a crucial role in choosing the right foundation. For oily skin, opt for an oil-free or matte foundation to control shine throughout the day. For dry skin, a hydrating or dewy finish foundation will ensure your skin looks radiant and moisturized. If you have combination skin, you might need to mix and match products to target different areas, such as using a matte foundation on oily areas and a dewy one on drier areas. Once you've selected the right foundation, the application is key. Use a makeup sponge or foundation brush to apply the product evenly. Start in the center of your face, where most discoloration and redness occur, and blend outwards for a natural finish. The goal is to make your skin look even-toned without overloading on product. Light layers are always better to build up coverage rather than caking on too much at once. Even with the best foundation, some areas of the face may need extra attention. Blemishes, under-eye circles, and discoloration are common issues for many, and concealer is your best friend in covering these imperfections. Just like with foundation, selecting the right concealer shade is crucial. For covering blemishes and dark spots, choose a concealer that is the same shade as your foundation. For brightening the under-eye area, go for a concealer that is 1 or 2 shades lighter than your foundation. There are 2 main types of concealers: cream and liquid. Cream concealers tend to offer more coverage and are great for hiding blemishes, while liquid concealers are more lightweight and ideal for areas like the under-eye, where the skin is thinner and more delicate. If you have mature skin, opt for a lightweight, hydrating concealer that won't settle into fine lines. Use a small brush or your fingertip to apply concealer to any areas needing extra coverage. For blemishes, dab the concealer directly onto the spot and blend out gently. For under-eye circles, apply concealer in a triangular shape, with the base of the triangle under your eye and the point towards your cheek, to create a lifting effect. Blend well, but avoid dragging the product to prevent irritation to delicate areas. Primer is one of the most overlooked but important steps in achieving flawless skin. It creates a smooth canvas for your makeup, minimizes the appearance of pores, and helps your makeup last longer throughout the day. For MTF crossdressers, using a primer can make a huge difference, especially if you want to achieve a polished, airbrushed look. A good primer fills in fine lines and pores, providing a more even surface for your foundation and other products to adhere to. It also helps to extend the longevity of your makeup, making sure it looks fresh and doesn't break down or become oily throughout the day. There are several types of primers, each catering to different skin needs. If you have oily skin, go for a mattifying primer that controls excess oil and shine. For dry skin, a hydrating primer will help lock in moisture, ensuring your foundation doesn't cling to dry patches. There are also illuminating primers that add a radiant glow to your skin, perfect for those looking for a dewy finish. Apply a small amount of primer to your face after your skincare routine but before your foundation. Focus on areas where makeup tends to fade or get oily first, such as your T-zone, forehead, nose, and chin. Gently press the primer into your skin rather than rubbing it to avoid disrupting your skincare products underneath. One of the secrets to having flawless-looking skin is regularly exfoliating. Exfoliation removes dead skin cells that can make your skin appear dull, clogged, and uneven. By exfoliating regularly, you reveal smoother, brighter, and more radiant skin, which is essential for achieving that flawless makeup finish. Exfoliating not only helps to improve the texture of your skin but also boosts circulation and encourages cell turnover, leading to fresher, younger-looking skin. For MTF crossdressers, exfoliation is especially helpful in creating a smooth canvas for makeup, as dead skin cells can often lead to foundation looking patchy. There are two main types of exfoliation: physical and chemical. Physical exfoliants contain small granules that physically scrub away dead skin cells. These are great for those who prefer a more hands-on approach but can be too harsh for sensitive skin. Chemical exfoliants, on the other hand, use acids like AHA, alpha-hydroxy acids, or BHA, beta-hydroxy acids, to gently dissolve dead skin cells. They're ideal for those with acne-prone or sensitive skin as they work without any harsh scrubbing. The frequency of exfoliation depends on your skin type. If you have oily or combination skin, exfoliating 2 to 3 times a week may be beneficial. However, if you have sensitive or dry skin, limit exfoliation to once a week to avoid irritation. Moisturizing is a vital step in your skincare routine. It keeps your skin hydrated, soft, and smooth, which is crucial for achieving flawless skin and ensuring your makeup applies beautifully. Well-moisturized skin is more elastic and less prone to fine lines and dullness, providing the perfect canvas for your makeup. Just like foundation, choosing a moisturizer that suits your skin type is essential. For oily skin, opt for a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer that hydrates without clogging pores. Dry skin types will benefit from richer creams that provide long-lasting hydration. If you have combination skin, you may need to use a lighter formula on oily areas and a richer one on dry patches. After cleansing and exfoliating, apply your moisturizer to slightly damp skin to lock in moisture. Make sure to gently massage it into your skin in upward motions, promoting circulation and absorption. Don't forget your neck, which is often neglected but shows signs of aging just like the face. Contouring and highlighting can help add definition to your features and feminize your face, giving it more structure and dimension. As an MTF crossdresser, these makeup techniques can be transformative, allowing you to accentuate your best features and create the illusion of a more feminine bone structure. Contouring involves using a darker shade of makeup to create shadows and define areas like the cheekbones, jawline, and nose. When done correctly, contouring can slim down the face and create the illusion of higher cheekbones or a sharper jawline, helping you achieve a more feminine look. Highlighting, on the other hand, is the opposite of contouring. It involves using a lighter, shimmery product to bring light to the high points of your face, such as the tops of your cheekbones, the bridge of your nose, and your brow bone. This adds a radiant glow and helps enhance your natural bone structure. Start by applying your contour product, either cream or powder, to the hollows of your cheeks, along your jawline, and the sides of your nose. Blend well to avoid harsh lines. Next, apply a highlight to the high points of your face where the light naturally hits. Blend both products for a seamless, natural look. Flawless skin doesn't happen overnight, but with the right combination of skincare and makeup techniques, you can achieve a beautiful, polished look that enhances your features. Consistency in skincare, coupled with proper application techniques, will make a noticeable difference in your appearance. As an MTF crossdresser, these steps can help you feel more confident in your skin and embrace your true self with pride. Take the time to experiment with products, figure out what works best for your unique skin type, and never underestimate the power of feeling good in your skin. Whether it's through makeup or skincare, the key to flawless skin lies in taking care of yourself, both inside and out. Finally, we would like to express our gratitude for watching till the end. We hope you found the video valuable and informative. If so, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button and leaving us a comment below. We are eager to hear from you. In the end, we have a humble request to you. We are trying hard to keep you enlightened and empowered by creating awesome videos like this. Please support us by joining our membership program. The link is in the description. Your little contribution will inspire us to make more awesome content for you like this. The next video will be published tomorrow, so don't miss it. Till then, take care. More wisdom, more solutions, better life.